Hi, this is Ms. Fazone. This is pre-calculus, objective number 3, long division of polynomials with remainders. It's not really any harder. It's just different. It's just there's going to be stuff left over, and I'll show you what to do with that. Okay, maybe we should zoom out. There we go. All right, this was taught on Monday, 9/8/14. All right. Let's start with number 1. Let's do a practice with numbers again, just to see, just a quick reminder, because comparing them is really helpful. All right, so we start off, does 6 go into 4? No. Does 6 go into 43? And then remember our work on the side? We're really thinking 6 into 43 means 43 divided by 6, and you get 7 point something. We don't really care the remainder. We just care about that 7. Then you put that over the 3, not the 4. That's important. And then 6 times 7 is 42. You multiply, subtract. Right? You get 1, 5, 1. Then we repeat. 6 into 15. 15 over 6 is 2 and change. Put the 2 over the 5. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract. 31. 31 divided by 6 is 5 and change. Put the 5 up top. 30. 6 times 5 is 30. The remainder is 1. Now, when you were a kid, your teacher said, oh, R1. We're not going to do that. What the actual answer is 725. The remainder is 1, so it's 1 and 1/6. Okay, so that's actually how we're going to write the answer. Remainder 1 is very elementary school. It actually is, remainders are used in higher level math, but for high school, it's really 1/6. That's what we want to focus on. All right, let's do one more. 11 into 2, 3, 5, 6. Pause the video, try it on your own. So 23 over 11 is 2 and change. Put the 2 over the 3. Always the second number. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract. 1, 5, 6. 15 over 11 is 1 and change. 1 times 11 is 11. Subtract. 46. 46 over 11 is 4 and change. 4. 4 times 11 is 44. Subtract. Your remainder is 2. So we're going to do 2 over 11. So 214 and 2/11 is the answer when we do long division. Oh, sorry. All right. Now let's do some polynomials. Number 3. So we've got 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 11 divided by x plus 2. All right, so we're going to divide these just like we did when there were no remainders. On a test or a quiz, you're not going to know if there's a remainder. You're just going to have to go through the problem. So write it like we do with long division. 3x cubed, 5x squared, 7x plus 11. I'm going to go a little faster now. Okay, so remember we're trying to divide x plus 2 into 3x cubed. Focus on the x. Focus on the first highest term. Highest term divided by the x is 3x squared. 3x squared goes on top. That's part of your answer. Then we multiply. We're going to show our work on the side so that we make less mistakes, right? Prevent those mistakes by showing your work. This is all just scratch. This isn't your answer. It's just your scratch work, all right? So we distribute to figure out what goes underneath. 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Okay? 3x cubed plus 6x squared. That's what you get when you multiply. This goes underneath. Now remember, we subtract. We're subtracting, so I'm going to change the signs. We're not just subtracting 3x cubed, we're also subtracting 6x squared. Right? Subtract the 3x cubes cancel out to 0. And here, 5 minus 6 is negative 1x squared plus 7x plus 11. Take your next highest term, negative 1x squared. You could put negative x squared, doesn't matter. Divide by the highest term on the outside, x. Negative 1x or negative x. That goes up top. Now we multiply, so we have to distribute. X plus 2. Distribute, and you get negative x squared minus 2x. Negative x times 2 is negative 2x. This is what we get when we multiply, so it goes underneath. We're subtracting. But when you subtracted negative, it ends up changing sign. You get plus and plus. Okay. Negative 1x squared, x squared cancels out. 7x and 2x is 9x plus 11. Last time, 9x over x again, that highest term. The x's cancel, and you just get 9 plus 9. Don't forget to put those numbers up top. Those are the actual answer. Distribute again, because we're doing 9 times x plus 2. 9 times x plus 2 is 9x plus 18. 9x plus 18. We're subtracting. Change the signs. The 9's cancel. 11 minus 18, though, is negative 7. This is our remainder. That's our remainder. So this is how we write our answer. 3x squared minus x plus 9, and then negative 7 over x plus 2. This is your answer. Sorry, I should put a plus there. You could either put the negative out front or put a plus in the negative there. It honestly does.